Ayan guys, game na. So yung next speaker natin,
Oh, yeah, drawing the
Ace.
Ruby.
Ayan.
Uy, sige pala.
Yan ba, try download mo na ako lang yan.
So hi, my name is Ace.
Hi, Ace!
Former. So I'm going to talk about drawing diagrams with Ruby. So, panaw ko na lang ito sa full screen. Okay. So, why make diagrams? So where I currently work, I have to, ito na naman. The Marshall na naman. Pinay na naman guys.
Hindi, nakapagod na naman yung Apple TV.
Naputol ulit.
Before we start the talk from let's watch our word from our sponsors.
Parang YouTube yan eh, may advertisement mo na sa
Our from our sponsors.
So when I talk across other teams, tapos the setup of an application or a cluster, a set of machines that work together, or for example, pagtatry nyo i-explain sa isang bagong hire kung ano yung itsura ng topology nung app nyo, yung may load balancer. Siyempre, diagrams is, making a diagram is easier than just saying it out in a paragraph sentence or a big table, diba? Na, for example, this specific machine does is a web server. Tapos ang laman niya is may real siya. Tapos ano yung version ng Ubuntu. Tapos ano yung so kung bagay specifics. Tapos explain mo yun sa other code. Sa other pieces of your application. So syempre, usually mas madali to communicate that using diagrams. So usually when you make up a diagram, kuha ka ng tool mo, dami dyan online, draw.io. I-load up the tool, tapos gawa ka ng boxes. Tapos nun, i-connect mo yung boxes na yun, print out mo siya, tapos kapit mo sa document or email mo siya. That's how it usually happens, di ba? So, it's either you get a desktop tool, tapos you get this all of these options that you can choose about. Choose the color, the font, you have to move things pixel by pixel. Eh, paano kung pinaiba? Or paano kung may iba? So, ang gagawin mo, you see the mistake, you make changes, you move more pixels, tapos you deliver, tapos paulit-ulit na naman. So, usually it takes you around, ako, honestly, it takes me around 30 minutes na susunog yung oras ko sa kaka-move ng mga pixel. Tsaka kakaisip na, saan mas maganda ilagay yung label? Or ano yung magandang color combination? So, may nakakita akong library, pangalan niya, Ruby GraphViz. It's a gem. It's used by a library. It's used by other libraries called. May isang library pangalan na Rails ERD, wherein it gives you a rake task that generates an ERD diagram of your Rails models automatically. So it uses GraphViz underneath. So yung GraphViz, it's an old command line tool that has its own language. You send it a dot file ng tawag. Tapos nun, based on that syntax, gagawa siya ng diagram. So yung mga 1990s pa yung tool na yun. So Ruby GraphViz is a Ruby wrapper on top of that old tool. So ganito yung itsura niya. So require GraphViz. Ito yung Ruby GraphViz. So it's a gem na pwede mo ikabit sa application mo or sa gem mo. Tapos GraphViz.new, tapos may mga different types. Tapos to sa graph, you can add a node. Tapos hello, tapos world, tapos yung edge, it means a connection. So you can say, pag-connect yung hello and world. Tapos output in a PNG, in a file. So nalabas, usually, yung mga ganyan. So using Ruby, you can put out something like that. So I thought to myself, I have a specific use case of a graph. It's not a UML, or it can be a UML. It's not a ERD. It's not a network topology. So I wanted to build a wrapper on top of this verbose thing. Kasi you also have the option to set the styles of your node, kung ano yung kulay, kung ano yung width, kung ano yung orientation, kung horizontal or vertical. So I made a wrapper on top of it. So I imagined myself, sige, babalik ako yung talk ni Carlo, more juice. So parang, ano yung pinaka-sensible way? So if I wanted to make a gem, I wanted to feel that I was using it in the first place. Parang, how would I want to use something that would easily make diagrams using a bunch of, you know, legible Ruby. So, what if I could just supply a... Oops, nakulus ko. Okay, Martian ulit.
Icebreaker to see.
Okay, so what if I could give a hash, an array of connections? So I could just say from the internets to the web server, tapos from the web server to database server. Tapos if I wanted to make details on the node, parang I wanted to say I want to provide a tabular format na ito yung provider niya, AWS, or I wanted to say na ito yung hardware name niya, HP or something like that. So ito yung feeling kong magandang itsura. Tapos I just provide some sort of service object na sabihing execute or mag-draw ako. Bibigay ko siya ng file path, bibigay ko siya ng file name, bibigay ko yung hashes. So ano yung magiging itsura niya. So yung kaninang mga so ganyan dapat yung maging itsura niya. Diba? Para okay. So may internet, web servers with provider AWS, tapos may database server. So success. Yung mga diagrams na yun made with the Ruby, the gem. So, syempre, syempre, ayoko naman syempre i-git clone yun doon sa laptop ko doon sa work, at saka i-git clone ko siya doon sa laptop ko sa bahay. So gumawa ko Rails app on top of it. You guys could use it.
Paano kung ayoko?
Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang. Okay lang. Okay. Andyan siya. Graphicode.herotoapp.com. So you just provide YAML. Just maglagay lang kayo ng YAML from tapos to. So mag-write na siya ng ganyan. Tapos pwede nyo set yung arrow direction. So pwede nyo like sabihin sa lines na kung dotted or dashed or solid. Tapos, yun. Graphicode.herotoapp.com. Cheap ako kasi yung gumastos pa doon. So 18 hours lagi siyang
We visit from 9 a.m.
para may office hours. Kasi wala akong oras pag lunch at digital. Thank you. Tapos, pwede nyo paglaruan actually ngayon kung gusto nyo. Ako naman yun sa 18 hours, pasok pa siya sa pangat. 18 hours. Yan lang. If you guys want, demo daw, sabi daw niya. Demo ko daw, sabi ni...
Ano? Mainland right? Pwede ba nga, nagbigyan ko siya ng 1,000 sa line yapit. Okay ko.
Carlo.
So, given this, gateway... Ay, paano ba yung issue?
Like demo?
Sabi daw niya ni Terrence eh. Sabi daw ni Torrance eh. Kaya tuloy na ako sa Apple TV eh. So, kunwari, gusto natin ng give kayo ng example. Customer to a waiter, or yan, waiter. Tapos from the waiter,
ikaw ba rin gumawa ng editor na yan?
Oo.
Ace yung pangalan ng editor, di ba?
Ace editor.
Tapos
Sabi ko na.
vertical, tapos ito medyo natin.
Galing na.
Tapos save natin.
Next stop pa yun.
Yan.
John Lloyd of UI.
Tapos pwede natin sabihin natin na may line text siya, orders. Yan, order. Tapos gusto natin ng pangalan, waiter. Pangalan niya ay si John Lloyd. Yun. Years of service, parang gano'n, years of service. Tapos ginagawa na niyang humanized yung key. See?
Oh, good.
Talaga.
So para mas madali na gumawa ng mga diagrams, kasi nakakapagod na mag-move ng pixels.
Parang gusto ko lagyan ng background image yun.
Full request ka na. Open source ka, full request ka na.
Premium yung premium picture.
Ayan lang.
$50.
Wala mo ako lang gumagamit ko to eh. Okay lang. Kasi napagod ako sa kagit clone. Okay.
Ay, thank you guys.